Hello my little apple dumplings, how are you guys today? So today we're showing you this laser sight. Of course, as you guys and girls know, we're not showing you any guns or anything in the video because of policies. We want to be very respectful of the guidelines that are given to us. But we can show you guys what it looks like and what comes in the box. So, right away we see they give you a screwdriver. They give you a tool, they give you batteries, they give you the laser scope, or the laser sight I should say. So it's just a simple device. I like it. I like that it's compact. That's nice. It's nice that it's compact. So guys, it comes with a ton. All of those are adapters right in here. For your gun. Wow. And the adapters are simple. You know, you find the right adapter and you thread it on the sight itself like this, and then you mount this directly on. That's impressive, you know, that you can actually have all these different adapters they give you. We've reviewed others in the past and they give you like one or two. But this gives you for all different sizes. So guys, for putting the battery in, you're gonna see this thing that basically has a bunch of letters on. It actually says battery. So you're gonna take your little tool here and you're gonna just simply thread it open and place your batteries inside there that they provide you with. And you just place the batteries directly straight down. Laser. I don't know if you guys can see that in the daytime. You know, GoPro's pretty small, but that's bright, and we're talking. We got lots of lights around us. Yeah, that's nice. That's a nice laser. You definitely don't want to look that directly in your eye, but that's a pretty nice laser, my friends. So it's just a press button, on/off button. Just press it for on and off. Yeah, overall, impressive. Again, I would love to show you guys installing it on a firearm. I really would. And showing you guys the different adapter, you know, going over the different adapters. But, you know, again, for guideline reasons, we are very respectable of the guidelines. And I believe that, you know, you don't go into someone's house with your rules. So, if you guys are looking for a laser sight that a press of a button is on off, this is definitely it. If you're looking for a laser sight that has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 different size adapters, you got, so yeah, here, let's go over all the adapters for you guys. You got .170 to 177 caliber, 220 to 250 caliber, 264 to 284 caliber, 300 to 320 caliber, 338 to 358 caliber, 375 to 410 caliber, 416 to 450 caliber, 458 to 460 caliber, 500 to 540 caliber. You know, I've seen people actually customize them and use even higher, but you guys get the point. You you can use this with a lot. See you guys on the next review.